How to tell if hardware transcoding on Plex or not. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to tell or know if the hardware transcoding is working in Plex or not. Now, in order to determine if the hardware transcoding is enabled in Plex, you have to follow these steps. First thing, you have to access the Plex settings. So for that, you have to log in, go to the Plex and tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side and go to the gear icon. Then you need to look for the options or menu that's labeled settings or server settings. This will typically found by clicking on your profile icon or the username. So go ahead and tap on the account, go to streaming services, and after that, so I'm unable to proceed on to the further step because the volume feature is not available in my country. So I'm just going to instruct you. So within the server settings menu, you'll locate the transcoder or transcoding section. Then you have to click on it to access the transcoding settings. Now in the transcoder settings, you should see options related to transcoding quality, speeds and hardware acceleration. Look for the options specifically related to hardware transcoding. Then if the hardware transcoding is supported and enabled, you should see an option to enable or disable it. Typically there will be a checkbox or toggle switch labeled. You can use a hardware acceleration when available or something similar. You can ensure that this option is enabled if you want to utilize the hardware transcoding as well. After enabling hardware transcoding, be sure to save your changes by clicking on the save or apply button if available, and you can monitor the activity. So by following this step, you can check if the hardware transcoding is enabled in Plex and configure it accordingly. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.